Hey AI enthusiasts, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking development that's set to revolutionize the way we use our PCs. Get ready for the era of AI PCs. That's right, Intel and Microsoft are joining forces to bring AI capabilities directly to your computer. This means faster performance, longer battery life, and a whole new world of AI-powered features. So, buckle up as we explore what this collaboration means for the future of computing. But first, what exactly is an AI PC? Is it just a fancy name for a regular computer? Let's find out. According to Intel and Microsoft, an AI PC is equipped with a neural processing unit, NPU, alongside the traditional CPU and GPU. Think of the NPU as a specialized brain for AI tasks, designed to handle them with incredible efficiency and speed. This means your PC can perform AI tasks without draining your battery life. Imagine photo editing, video conferencing, and even running AI-powered apps without worrying about your laptop dying on you. That's the power of the NPU. And it's not just about battery life. The NPU also boosts performance, allowing for real-time AI processing. This opens up a world of possibilities for things like real-time language translation, intelligent noise cancellation, and even personalized experiences based on your usage patterns. Speaking of personalized experiences, Microsoft's Copilot is a key part of the AI PC vision. This AI assistant, powered by a large language model, can help you with tasks, answer questions, and even generate creative content. And guess what? Future AI PCs will have a dedicated Copilot key right on the keyboard. Now, all this amazing technology needs developers to create innovative AI applications. That's where Intel's AI PC Acceleration program comes in. They're providing developers with the tools and resources they need to build the next generation of AI software. Intel is even offering dev kits with their latest Meteor Lake processors, giving developers a head start in creating AI-powered applications. Imagine the possibilities. Analysts predict that AI PCs will see explosive growth in the coming years. By 2027, a whopping 60% of PCs shipped could be AI-capable. This is a massive opportunity for developers and a game-changer for the way we use our computers. But what kind of AI applications can we expect to see? Let's explore some of the exciting possibilities. Imagine video conferencing where your background is automatically blurred, keeping the focus on you. Or how about real-time language translation during your calls, breaking down language barriers effortlessly? AI can also enhance photo editing with features like intelligent object removal or automatic color correction. It could even help you generate creative content, like writing stories or composing music, using the power of AI. And let's not forget about security. AI can play a crucial role in protecting your data and keeping your PC safe from threats. These are just a few examples of what AI PCs can do. The possibilities are truly limitless, and we're just at the beginning of this exciting journey. With Intel and Microsoft leading the charge, the future of computing looks incredibly promising. AI PCs are set to transform the way we work, create, and connect with the world around us. So, what do you think about AI PCs? Are you excited about the possibilities? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to All About AI Tech for more exciting updates on the world of artificial intelligence.